Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafi West. I just wanted to do a quick couple of ideas, updates on making money and the markets and psychology. First, I discovered this ETF called ticker symbol DRV. It's a real estate bearish market, bearish bet on the real estate market. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a 3x leverage. So for every 1% down that some of these real estate companies go down, this will go up by 3%. So ever since I've discovered it, it's been nothing but green. Once again, ticker symbol DRV. And in the crypto news, Ethereum has been plummeting, going down, correcting. I wouldn't say crashing, but correcting. Um, I like it. I see it as opportunity. As long as Merge, which is Ethereum's 2.0 upgrade, goes fine and nothing breaks, nothing goes wrong with it, it should be good. So yeah, those are my two thoughts on the market. Also, in a fear driven market, a fear driven everything in the world right now, when something is approaching, so let's take the example of Ethereum's merge. When something is approaching, people to think like, let me sell off this asset before this thing launches or comes, whether it's a deadline or something. So that's how it is in a fear driven market, and it's definitely fear driven right now because inflation woes and everything going on in the world. And so just understand that as you see prices declining on things that have really good bullish news. And so, yeah, so that's my little, I guess, market update rant. Learn more about this market psychology in Hustlers 2.0. I'll leave look for the link in my videos. And any questions on that, any comments, let me know. Please consider subscribing. Okay.